Welcome to an evening at the Birdcage. Give yourself a round of applause for being here. Let me tell you, the Irish Catholic shitty rings. Can we talk about this? The Baptists are the worst because they get them underwater. It looks great. They pull it up. Garbage. The Jews, big rings. The Episcopalians, big. But the best rings of all are the Italians. Yes. They get them off dead people. Yes. Do you hug and kiss and cuddle after sex? Yeah, good. At least you're honest. They usually say after sex. They say, remember Dr. Ruth? You're young. Dr. Ruth said after sex you should hug, you should kiss, you should cuddle. Me, I want to get dressed, get my money, and go home. That's the truth. I have a very active sex life, Stella. Yes. I only wish I had a partner, but it's very active. Extremely. You're a great group. Thank you so much. Let's have fun tonight.
I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Come rain or come shine. The bells are ringing for me and my gal. The birds are singing for me and my gal. Sing it with me, please. Everybody's knowing to a wedding they're going. Come on. And for weeks they've been sewing every Susie and Sam.
Are you drinking? I was in a movie. It was marvelous. And the little people, they smell like cottage cheese. I don't know.
Could it be? Yes, it could. Something's coming, something good. If I can wait, something's coming. I don't know what it is, but it is gonna be great.
Why do you always have to be difficult?
Well, I'm not trying to be difficult. I just have my own ideas. Why don't you just give me a chance?
Good night, Miss Price.
No, wait a minute, Mr. Ziegfeld. Nobody is gonna rain on my
And it feels good.
Bottle of pills and tossed them away. I emptied the booze, went back to AA, ever on way. Let's us back. Come on, come through. You don't fear.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. The next song I would like to do is a song that I usually do with someone who's no longer here. Give me a minute. Where do we go? Inside that routine.